Binance Futures Tutorial. With Binance Futures, you can hedge risk and gain more through leverage. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through the latest futures trading interface. Step 1. Register a free Binance account. Tap Open your futures account to activate your futures trading account. Step 2. Choose a contract you want to trade. The USD margin futures is a USDT margined futures that uses stablecoin like USDT as a collateral. Profit and loss, P&L, is dominated in USDT. Coin M futures is a coin margined futures that uses base assets as a collateral. For example, BTC USD quarterly 1225 uses BTC as a collateral. P&L is dominated in BTC. Step 3. Before starting trading, you may adjust the position mode under the More icon. Currently, we support one-way mode and hedge mode. Then set margin mode and leverage multiplier. There is cross mode and isolated mode, where you can find a more detailed explanation on the modal. Here, you can manually adjust the leverage. The maximum amount of leverage available for users depends on the notational value of their position. Generally, the larger the position, the lower the leverage allowed. Please manage your risk. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. Step 4. Transfer assets into your futures account. If you want to trade USD margin futures, you can transfer assets from spot into USD margined account. Alternatively, you can transfer into coin margin account if you want to trade coin margin futures. Step 5. Open a position. Binance supports different order types. More details can be found in here. By selecting long position, you can buy BTC. Here indicates the initial margin cost for this position. Upskill your trading and earn more by exploring more advanced settings by checking Take Profit Stop Loss, then setting a corresponding price for this position. Step 6. Monitor your position. All your positions are listed here. You can check each position's estimated liquidation price, margin ratio, and potential profit and loss. Margin ratio and asset details are placed on the right side where you can instantly track to evaluate the risk. You can then choose to either close the position or add margin to reduce the liquidation risk. Step 7. Close your position by selecting Limit Close or Market Close on the Position section directly, or use the Place Order section. Remember to check Reduce Only under One-Way mode. Under Hedge mode, simply switch to the Close tab. You're all set to start trading futures. Learn more on trading futures by hovering over More, Help to read more. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your crypto trading experience.